This bonus lesson teaches the two-handed tapping technique used on the intro for Hot for Teacher. The lesson is designed to be extremely easy and consists of only 2 phrases. Van Halen's Hot for Teacher is track 6 from the album 1984. Phrase 1 starts off with a pick scrape on strings 4, 5, and 6, and follows up with a 6-string 15th fret slide down the neck. On the 5th string, pull off to open, and hammer your index finger to 3. Pinky to 7. Use a finger from your picking hand to tap the 12th fret, and pull off to 7, then 3. The riff is repeated 4 times. Move the index finger up to the 5th fret, hammer to 9 with the pinky, tap 12, pull off to 9, then 5, play this 3 times, then end the 5th string notes by hammering from open to 5, a very quick 9 as you tap 12 and pull off to 9. Here's the ending again. Move to the 4th string, start out by tapping the 12th fret, then play the same frets on the 4th string. Open, hammer to 3, hammer to 7, tap 12, pull off to 7, pull to 3. This is played 4 times. Then hammer open to 5, to 9, tap 12, to 9, then 5, and repeat. End the 4th string notes by pulling to open, hammer to 5, then a quick 9 while tapping 12, pull to 9, give it some vibrato, and slide down the neck. Move the same fingerings down to the 3rd string. Start off by tapping 12, then pull off to open, hammer to 3, hammer to 7, tap 12, pull to 7, pull to 3. Repeat this one more time. Then move it up, play open, hammer to 5, 9, tap 12, pull to 9, pull to 5, to open. Play 2 times. Then drop back. Open to 3, hammer 7, tap 12, pull to 7, pull to 3, pull to open, repeat. Then end by hammering from open to 5, a quick 9 while you tap 12, pull off to 9, vibrato, and slide down the neck. Here's a practice run at half speed. In phrase 1, we ascended in pitch. Phrase 2 turns the intro solo around and descends in pitch. Tap the 1st string 12th fret and pull to your index finger holding the 5th fret. Then hammer to 8 with the ring or pinky finger. Tap 12 again, pull to 8, pull to 7 with your middle finger, then pull to 5 and hammer to the 2nd string 8. Tap the 2nd string 12, pull to 8, 7, 5, then hammer to the 3rd string 8. Move the same structure to the 3rd string, tapping 12, pull to 8, 7, 5, hammer to 4th string. Play the same notes on the 4th string, tapping 12, 8, 7, 5, then hammer to 5th string 8. End by tapping the 5th string 12, pull to 8, 7, 5, open, then play an A5 power chord. 5th string open, 4th string 2, and 3rd string 2. Here's phrase 2 at half speed.